I'm going to bang this out a little bit before I throw it in the water. Oh, the wind is just swirling here. Everything's dry, even these filters. And these two little ones. Everything in the box. I'm going to set the camera up on the stand and then start putting the motor in. Okay, we got these two little filters. The one filter goes here and the other filter goes right in here. Now we're going to mount the switch. See, the switch goes there. Now we can route the wire. Tuck this in. And if you want, you can just check it, see if it's working. You can plug it in and then the cap go like this. There, snapped in. And make sure you put the vibration ring on, which goes right here. I got it plugged in. I just want to see if the switch is all into place properly. Okay, now I can put it all together now. Okay, got the piece here. If it doesn't line up, something's not lined. Maybe the wires or something. And I got the screws to put in. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 screws. Now I'm going to put the base on. Just want to put the hose on first, make it a little easier. So like that. Want to route it there like that. And you got 2 of these, right and left. And put the screws in. Now I got the back attachment. Screw in there. Now we're going to put this top piece on. Got the little ring. Put the ring on. Ring has to go now because it won't fit later. Snaps in. Put the screw in. That's a small screw that you put into right there. Now I'm going to put the 2 screws in. Don't need that. Steel brush to clean this. I'm gonna mount the belt. Put the belt in. Put the leveler on. I'm going to plug it into power before I put the thing on and see if everything's working. Oh, this piece here. Just get it slid like that. Okay, I'm going to plug it in. That on and put the screws in. A little bit of rice. It's spinning right there. Bissell Powerforce. Test for height. Take one. I just finished putting this part together and then I looked in the bin. And look what I seen. The vibration thing for the motor. Uh-oh. So I'm going to have to take it all apart and put that vibration ring on the motor. And then restart the video again. And make sure you put the vibration ring on. And the cap. And the top is there. I marked it. So you just